This has been referred to as the Tesla of e-bikes. It is a next-gen smart bike designed for fast and efficient deliveries. Say hello to the coolest, most secure ride ever built, Reevo, the hubless e-bike. It combines pure engineering excellence, elegance, and style to give it an amazing design. It is secured with world-class triple barrier security and built around a strong, lightweight core with a sleek stealth black finish. With an adaptive pedal assist that adapts to road gradient, providing you with a gentle boost that feels so natural. Being the most striking bike ever built is also the most secure bike in the market. It has a virtual triple barrier anti-theft system that features biometric, fingerprint activation lock, integrated lock housed within the frame, and GPS tracking with motion detection. It also comes with an autonomous lighting system that detects darkness plus integrated signal and brake lights built into the wheels. The ergonomic saddle has been designed for bikers' comfort. It has a 750-watt motor for USA users and 250-watt motor for Europe users that takes 3 hours of charging time. It also provides storage within the wheel using a special Beano bag. The futuristic-looking spoke-less wheels are connected by a sturdy yet light frame. The creators have focused mainly on convenience, safety, and stylish functionalities. The detachable battery can be easily swapped out for an instant range boost and takes only 3 hours to charge. Shipping has been scheduled for December this year and the price is set at $2,698. Shred the street in style. Welcome to the next generation of e-scooters, the Hyperscooter. This e-scooter has had the media talking. The result of 5 years of engineering, prototyping and testing has surely yielded a revolution in transport. The Dragonfly is smoother, smarter, and more exhilarating than anything else on the market. A super light and sleek electric vehicle that takes flight through the urban jungle. The refined vehicle for the modern urbanite. This sleek and elegant cruising machine will for sure turn heads and part the crowds as one glides effortlessly through busy streets. It's time to enjoy a completely reimagined riding experience. The Dragonfly Hyperscooter's unique wide 4-wheel carbon fiber platform offers unparalleled stability and safety when tackling the modern urban landscape. And with its ultra-low center of gravity, accelerating and stopping feels secure and natural. Which means that one doesn't just ride a Dragonfly. They glide, drift and sweep through the city or countryside in complete control. It has a unique, patented system called full tilt steering. A system where turning the handlebars turns the wheels at both the back and the front, and as well as allowing an impossibly small turning circle. With the rider's total control, the Hyperscooter can carve through busy streets like a snowboarder shredding down a mountain, or lean in on slow turns to achieve the tightest turn. The Dragonfly Hyperscooter features 2x powerful 550-watt motors pushing a tremendous total peak power of up to 1,650 watts, allowing you to comfortably and safely maintain speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Plug your Dragonfly Hyperscooter into any wall socket and watch it charge its high-capacity lithium-ion battery from 0 to 70% in under 2 hours, or from 0 to 100% in under 3 hours. The price of the Hyperscooter has been set at £2,399 sterling and shipping estimated to start by December this year. This is the future of urban transportation. The state of our workspaces determines our productivity, but sometimes when we are deep in a project, things get messy around our workspace. It is not about keeping an empty desk but having a dedicated spot for everything to return. This is Gather, a workplace setup that gives more space to work and think. It helps keep everything in place using super strong magnets, keeping all things nice and neat but also making things easy to move. It provides a simple yet effective way to keep things in order and where they belong. gather has an elegance and effortless design with the setup possessing incredible strength and stability. I know I am not the only one who hates drinking from cans, you do too. Well, it's not a problem anymore thanks to this amazing tool. A draft top lift is a tool designed by draft top manufacturers to remove the top of aluminum beverage and beer cans. By safely removing the top, you elevate the canned experience by adding ice and spirits to make cocktails, garnishing your drink with fruit and drinking them without the aeration that makes you full. Drink topless and spice up your drink. When it comes to design, we always count on convenient measuring tools to shed light on plans for every project. The MEAZOR has to be the only ultimate measuring equipment that will complement your talent. MEAZOR provides two-dimensional scanning, data conceptualization on a smartphone. Welcome to the new age of compact and efficient measuring. The MEAZOR helps make meticulous planning for high-end floor plan scanning. Simply place the MEAZOR on the surface and then turning it 360 degrees and watch as the entire floor plan is captured and sent to a smartphone in seconds via Bluetooth. Adding to many of its capabilities is the scale rolling ruler. Not only does it provide dynamic measuring functionalities of straight lines and curves, but also scale measuring made simple. There is no need to cross the surface, enjoy a fully customizable measuring feature. It converts any scale into the units needed. With an intuitive smartphone app, measuring results are transferred to a smartphone. One can even draw, edit unlimited drawings and data and export their findings in any workflow. This tool will offer endless capabilities, high productivity, and workflow integration, and is most convenient for seasoned architectural developers, creative DIY enthusiasts. It has a multi-touch display with a sleek aluminum alloy unibody frame for optimal performance and maximum durability. Might this be the ultimate measuring tool you have been looking for? We travel. We take trips, we camp, we dive, climb mountains, or just shake up our work locale. Keeping our devices charged amid that mobile life can be frankly annoying. If you own multiple electronic devices and are always on the road, you feel this pain. We rely so much on our devices today that dying batteries are really not an option. And that's where this guy comes in, the Ifory power bank. It's equipped with 40,000 mAh and a 100 watts fast charging, and according to the manufacturer, it can power the latest iPhone 13 10 times over, tablets 4 times over, and MacBooks twice over with ease. It has an advanced display screen, where the voltage, power, and current can be monitored in a clear, concise, intuitive way. It can also display the timing, temperature, and remaining battery life. It also features a heat dissipation module that allows for rapid internal heat management and ensures continuous output of the power supply. The 500 lumen spotlight brightens your surroundings. So now, you're safe, secure, and fully aware. It has 3 adjustable light modes done by simply touching the board. The Ifory is IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so you can enjoy your oceanic activities while charging up. It is powered by a portable solar panel. Experience a next-gen charging journey with Ifory. NEXTUBE is a display that revives the retro NEXTUBE and shows you key metrics of your modern life. NEXTUBE uses modern IPS screens to revive the beautiful warm orange glow of old tech, at the same time, showing key metrics of modern life. It can be used to know the time, arrange your schedule, check the weather, track social media performance, visualize your favorite music, and light up your space. This isn't just some exercise in nostalgia. The digital IPS screens can bring endless possibilities. Select a place, set the time, and you're ready to enjoy the beauty of this ultra-modern timepiece. The NEXTUBE can be used to manage the time someone invests on tasks, allocate the time to work on fitness, control the time it takes to cook, or limit the time spent on gaming. Helping get the most out of every second and focus on a goal. A real-time social media subscriber counter for your YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok account. Outstanding live followers display for creators and streamers with the data updated every second. It has a built-in highly sensitive rhythm module that reacts to music of any genre in real time, transforming every tune into light for simultaneous audio-visual display. A charming desktop decoration that brings your favorite music back to life. No assembly required. Connect it to the power, and you are ready to enjoy the Nixie glow. Tap the touch buttons to switch functions, and a few clicks in the software to customize your display. The project team has a working demo and not the final product. However, you can back the project using the link in the description below. The links to the items in this video are in the description below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.